I'm going to the mall today because the shop is still open. Cool. We're open. And I have this money. So I will buy. What could I buy? Oh, this. I can buy this. This. Oh my gosh, this. I like this. Especially this. No. This notebook. Hi.
No, bro.
Hi. Hi.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
This is my order. I'll wait.
That will be cost $20.
$20. Wait.
Thank you.
Check the money if what is this?
$10. This is
Why?
I want.
Why?
This is I want.
Why?
I need $20, bro.
Here's a tip for you.
Thanks.
Another tip.
Thanks.
Attention all shoppers. We would like to inform you that our store will be closing in 15 minutes. Please make sure
Here you go.
you're shopping with us and have a great day.
Thank you. Oh. Bye.